Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have an active Roblox account and the latest client installed. Once done, find the exact game or timed event that offers the Dart hat. Developers often use limited drops. Make sure you're logged in and in the correct server, then join a low-population server to reduce competition. You'll also want to enable pop-up game notifications. This helps you catch spawn windows. Now, move into the game lobby and prepare to follow in-game prompts. Once inside, focus on the specific tasks that gate the Dart hat. Complete the required quests or reach the gear level threshold that unlocks the drop. You'll need to gather event tokens or the in-game currency used to purchase the hat, so farm high-yield activities first. Pay attention to spawn cues like NPC dialogue, distinct chest noises, or a timer counting down. Developers signal drops deliberately. Keep moving between spawn points. Persistence beats luck. If trading is allowed, track other players for clues. To finish, redeem collected tokens or interact with the designated spawn object to claim the Dart hat. You must confirm the claim in the reward window. After claiming, open your inventory or avatar and equip the hat. Make sure it isn't locked by trade or account settings. If the hat doesn't appear, relog and rejoin the same server, then verify the event is still active and confirm you met the exact requirements. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache and retry. Many glitches resolve after a fresh client start.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.